Hello and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial, and today we'll be looking at automatic skin smoothing. So let's get started. Okay, so here's a sample image. You can download this from pixel.com or pixabay.com, the free image resources, but make sure that it has to be in high resolution. So over here I have my sample image open, and you have to go to filters. Actually it's a filter of Photoshop, and all the way to a neural filter. These are the artificial intelligence filter for Photoshop, which works by focusing your images, by focusing your face. So over here I have one face, and over here you can see that there is a blue box around the portrait, which shows that there is only one face. If you have number of faces, then there are number of blue faces or blue boxes. So over here on your neural filter, if you go to featured filter, which I have downloaded already, and here you can browse to beta filter, which are incomplete and still in work. So these are all in beta filter. So the feature filter over here on the top, you can see skin smoothing. If you are using it for the first time, it will download and it will apply the settings to your image on your left. So just click on this button, and here you can see the skin is smooth, and over here you can control with the blur and smoothness. If you increase the blur, there is a very subtle change in your skin of this model, if you can see, but at the same time you are losing some of its detail. And if you turn it off or return back to default, even you can go to the minus side or to decrease the blur effect, but I am happy with around 45. And let's smoothness, you can increase. You can see the skin smoothness over here. Actually this image is a bit focused, and it's a lot of detail where you can see the hair on the side of this portrait. So let's make it around minus 10 to 12, minus 10. That's okay. Over here you can see the output. You have several options. The current layer, which is the working one. The duplicate layer, it will duplicate the layer with the effect, or duplicate layer mask. To duplicate the layer and create a working mask, so you can work around with your mask for further improvement. Or you can create a new layer on the new layer, but there will be no mask. Or smart filter. The best option is smart filter over here, so you can come back and you can change the settings, or you can play around. So let's click OK. Over here you can see, here's the before and here's the after. Even you can double click and go back to the neural filter. You can change again, you can add another filter. So here is the quick change if you want to avoid the detailed skin smoothing, whereas that is more advisable to do so. So over here, if you want to remove these blemishes, what you can do is create a new layer. On top of it, take the brush and select, and over here opacity to 100 and flow to 100 and the flow to 100, and I'll keep it on black. To remove the blemishes, sorry for that. Yeah, there you go. I created a normal brush over here. So here you can do that. Even you can patch it up like that, right? And if you want to bring back the detail in that, what you need to do is create on this mask filter. It's a mask, and click on brush and select black to hide, and here you can see that you can bring back the detail effect, which were lost with skin smoothing. There you go. There it is. You can see the effect over here. You can see the line, or it's a jawline. You can bring it back, right? So this is, you can even play around more. So this was automatic skin smoothing. of Photoshop, and it is available I think from 2020 onwards. I'm using 2021 version. So if you like my video, just click the thumbs up and click the bell icon so you can get the notification for the further video. So thank you for watching.